We'll guide you through how to hard reset your Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video, for whatever reason you want to do this. Now, it's important to know hard reset can go and mean different things for different people, so we're going to guide you through two different ways. First of all, some people may define it as basically doing a forced restart. Let's go and say your phone's frozen and so you want to go and do this to resolve it. You aren't going to go and lose any of your apps, files and data like that. Or you want to go and completely factory reset it and delete everything and it's all ready to be set up like it was straight from the factory. So there are two different ways and we're going to guide you through them both. So let's go and say your phone has gone and frozen and so you want to go and do this restart and reset in order to go and get it working again. What you need to do on a Samsung is you need to go and find the volume down and then the side button here. And what we're going to do is go and tap and hold these together like so. Keep them held down. You're going to go and see this screen here. If it's frozen, you won't. Just keep holding it down. Or if it's black, you won't as well. Keep on holding it down. Surely the screen will go black if it wasn't already. You're only going to go and let go when you go and see the Samsung logo. So now it's going to go and boot again. So go and wait and shortly it's going to come back on. It's come back on and hopefully that's gone and solved the problem. Now, alternatively, if you want to go and do a complete reset, what you can do is you can go and swipe up like so. Then what you can do is go and find settings, go and wait for them to open. In here, you then want to go and scroll down and we need to go and find General Management. As you can see, here it is, and you want to go and tap on it. Once you're in here, you then need to go and scroll down like so, and you're going to go and find the option for reset, and you can go and tap there. Then it's going to go and bring you to the reset page, and there are different ways you can go and do this. You may want to go and do a backup before doing this, but you can scroll down and find the option for factory data reset, and this will go and delete everything. So you can go and tap that there and it's going to go and bring you here, makes you understand all the data that's going to go and be erased and the accounts that are going to be removed. And you can then go and press reset at the bottom and start the process. That's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you get in the future with more guides like this. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.